Hey y'all, my name is Brandy Lachey and we are in the bathroom today. This is part 4 of my hair maintenance series. All prior videos will be listed in the cards above as well as down below. This, however, is a post-wash day routine after straightening my hair featuring the Olaplex In Good Repair Strength and Shine Kit from their winter sale. This kit comes with the following: the hair perfector, which is like a pre-poo treatment, the Bond Maintenance Shampoo, which is a protein-based cleanser, the Bond Maintenance Conditioner, which is a strengthening conditioner, and the Olaplex Bonding Oil, which is to soften and seal in moisture. Let's get started. This is my hair after removing excess product from the following week and will act as my canvas for step 1. The hair perfector, which is described as a 3-minute repair solution that reverses damage and strengthens hair. The smell is light, nothing too special, but pretty pleasant. I would also describe the solution the same way, not too heavy, and presents enough slip to distribute throughout my hair. But I don't feel like it spreads that easily, which is why I end up using almost the entire bottle of product. And as I'm applying, I did go ahead and create 4 sections as well to make the process easier. Now, I went ahead and let the product sit on my hair for more than 3 minutes, maybe like 10. But this is how my hair looks once everything was washed out. Nothing too crazy, but let's go ahead and continue. Step 2, the N4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. Y'all, this packaging is so freaking hard to open. Ooh, the struggle. But once we finally got through, I was shocked at how silky, slimy the consistency was. It was so different. And the lather, insane. You definitely don't need as much product as I squeezed out. A little goes a very long way. The complete opposite of the hair perfector. I love a product where you feel like you're getting your money's worth, and this definitely did that for me. I did shampoo twice like usual, but I did use significantly less this time. And this was my hair after. Definitely cleansed well, but I'm still waiting for that pop like protein treatments usually provide. Moving on, we have reached step 3, the N5 Bonding Maintenance Conditioner. The smell was stronger on this product than the others, but honestly, I kind of felt like all these products had a faintly different smell. Anyways, I'm liking the consistency. I was able to slide my fingers through my hair easily. I even think it spread nicely through my strands, which you may not get with some protein treatments, so that was a plus. I was even able to detangle. And I would say out of all the products I used in the collection, this gave me the most protein feel. My hair was stiff and I could feel my strands strengthening, and I also went in with a moisturizing conditioner afterwards just to make my hair more pliable. But even though these products did what they were supposed to do, I was expecting a little bit more. Let's go ahead and cut to styling this wash and go, where I'll use our final product, the N7 Bonding Oil, and I'll give my final thoughts as well. You may be wondering why I chose video 4 to be a product review in a hair maintenance series. The answer is simple. No matter what the product is, it's always a good idea to go in with a bonding or protein treatment after heat styling to rebuild those bonds that were manually broken down by the heat from flat ironing. It is a method of reviving and adding strength after heat manipulation, especially for us curly girls. I wear my hair naturally curly about 90% of the time, and this just gives that boost to see that curl poppage directly after straightening. It's kind of like telling your hair to wake up, and as you can see, the curls are there. As for the Olaplex, I'm a little disappointed. Not saying these are bad products, but as someone who was in cosmetology school and heard about Olaplex constantly, I was expecting a miracle in a bottle. I know products like this take more than one use to see results, but again, I was expecting just a little bit more. Anyways, this completes my hair maintenance series. I really hope y'all enjoyed and it was helpful. Again, my name is Brandy Lachey, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.